Classification of letters. There are two types of letters. One, personal letter, and the second one, official letter. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to write a personal letter. Both personal letter and official letter, they have their own formats. Today, I will teach you the format for writing a personal letter. Personal letters are letters written to relatives and friends. Now, how to start a personal letter? First, the heading. This informs the reader where you wrote the letter and when. The where refers to the writer's full postal address and the when refers to the date. Now, you have to write this address and date on the right hand top corner of your letter. See, for example, 24 Gandhinagar, New Delhi 110057, 3rd September 2020. See, the address must be written above, 24 Gandhinagar, New Delhi. It must be written above, and below that you must write the date, 3rd September 2020. So this is the first thing you have to write in the personal letter. It must be written on right hand side top corner. Next, salutation. Salutation is the starting word of our letter. This is a form of greeting. This is a form of greeting. The way to start your letter, to open your letter. For example, dear father, dear mother, dear friend, and so on. The salutation depends upon the person to whom you are writing the letter. You can write dear friend, and if the friend is very intimate, you can write the name also, dear Hari or dear Ram, and so on. Now, one thing you have to note in the salutation is the use of the word dear is purely formal and is a mere polite expression. It does not necessarily imply any special affection. The position of the salutation is at the left hand of the first page. That is, on the next line, first line, right hand side top corner, must write the address and date, and the next line, left hand side, must write the salutation. Next, communication. Communication means the body of the letter. Body of the letter is nothing but the letter itself. And the style in which it is written will depend upon to whom the letter is written. The style of a letter to an intimate friend will be very different. To very close relations will be different. These personal letters, the body of the letter in the personal letters will be mostly in a conversational style. It will be like a friendly chat or a friendly talk. Now, certain things we have to note while writing the body of the letter. We'll see that one by one. First, you must divide your letter into paragraphs. If your letter is too long, it will be like an essay. It may be boring for the person to read the letter fully. And so, you have to divide your letter into small paragraphs. And the next one must use simple language. Simple and direct language, and you must write in short sentences. See, we must not try to be very eloquent, and we should not drag in long words into long sentences. Our sentences must be very short, our language must be very simple, and it must be very direct, so that the person who is reading the letter will understand the content of the letter easily. Next, we must write clearly and neatly. Be clear about what you want to say. We must always be very, very clear. We should not beat about the bush. We must say directly what we wish to reveal through the letter. And then we must write neatly. Handwriting must be neat. Untidy and shabby way of letter writing may create an irritation, and sometimes the other person may not read the letter too. We should not trouble the other person with our bad handwriting. So, we must write very neatly. So, these are the steps we have to follow while writing the body of the letter. We must divide the body of the letter into small paragraphs. We must use simple language, direct language, short sentences. We must be very clear, and we must write neatly. And the next one is subscription. Now we have written the body of the letter, and now we are going to conclude our letter. This is a courtier's leave taking. Subscription is nothing but a courtier's leave taking. A letter must not end abruptly, simply with the writer's name. So, there are certain polite forms of leave taking. Now, for personal letter, the leave taking will be mostly like this. For example, your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving friend, your loving brother, and so on. Next, the signature. We must sign in a letter. For example, your loving daughter Maithili, your loving son Raju, your loving friend Kumar, and so on. Now we have finished our letter, and the last step is the address on the envelope. The address on the envelope is very, very important. Must be written very clearly. We must write the name, write the door number, street name, district name, state, and if you are writing if you are writing letter to a person staying abroad, then you have to mention the name of the country also. See here, for example, S. Chandrakumar, 73 Ramnagar, New Delhi, 1100, India. Name of the person must be clear, door number, street, then the district, pin code also must be very clear. And if you are writing to the person who is staying abroad, you must write the country name also. Now, I have given you a PDF of 5 personal letters, children. These personal letters you may get in your present paper. So go through the PDF, read the letters, and write down the 5 personal letters in your composition notebook. So this is the general format for personal letter writing, children. I hope you would have understood the format. I shall meet you in another video with another lesson. Have a blessed day.